Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to work through the shortcuts in Premiere. There's some advanced shortcuts and whatnot, but here's what you should want to know if you want your edits to go faster. First things first is go to edit, keyboard shortcuts. If there's something that you want to change that you don't like, you can map it to another key, and that's perfect. Another thing that you probably would want to do is cut. You can change your cut so you don't have to use a razor blade tool. You just simply have to press a key. Look, I'm just pressing C. That is my shortcut. You can map it to whatever you want it to be. Now, if you want to delete a clip, it's as simple as pressing the delete key and it's gone. And let's just go ahead and delete this too, and now you can see that there is this gap in our edit, and there's something called the ripple delete tool. You could right click ripple delete, but if you do not want to do that, you simply press the W key, and then wherever this blue arrow is, all your clips are going to come forth to that. So next is the audio. So our audio, it's really hard to edit, so what you could do is press Alt and then plus, and then you could see it. Same thing for our clip, Alt and plus. Whoops. Yeah, that I definitely meant to do that. So another thing is, if you want to toggle the gain, it's as simple as pressing G for gain. And if you want to control the speed of your clip, instead of right clicking and going to speed duration, control R. And if that doesn't work out for you, there is the ripple delete tool, and you can just make it as long as you want. We already seen this before. It's in my other tutorial. Go watch that. Rate stretch tool, it's as simple as pressing R. If you gotta use that for whatever you do, it will make the clip longer. There we go. Sorry about that. So really quick, I know that's a lot of information in one. Let me just give you guys one more tip to go with. If you want to transition your audio, there's a pen tool here. Click P and you can set points and transition your audio so it fades in and fades out. There we go. Alright, if that tutorial helped in any way, good for you. I will be uploading more of these, so support, Peace.